And welcome back. In this video we will discuss about power. First we will see its definition. What is power? Power is the measure of rate at which work is being done. If delta W is done in a time interval delta T, then the average power PAV during the time interval is equal to delta W over delta T. If work is expressed as a function of time, the instantaneous power P is defined as P is equal to limit delta T approaches to 0 delta W over delta T. Now we'll see the units of power, where delta W is the work done in short interval time delta T following the instant T. Next one is, for your information, now we will see conservative forces. Gravitational, elastic and electric forces are the conservative forces, and non-conservative forces are the frictional, air resistance, tension in a string, normal force, propulsion force of a rocket, propulsion force of a motor. Now we will derive a relation between power and velocity, and SI unit of power is watt. If P, it is sometimes convenient to express power in terms of a constant force F acting on an object moving at constant velocity V. For example, when a propeller of a motor boat causes the water to expel a constant force on the board, it moves with velocity v. Then the relation we already know from above equation 4.5, P is equal to limit delta T, P is equal to limit delta W over delta T divided by delta T, where W work done is equal to F dot D, P is equal to F dot D over WT. Limit delta T approaches to 0, we know that delta D over delta T is equal to velocity, so power is equal to F dot V. It is also defined as dot product of force and velocity. SI unit of power is watt, defined as 1 joule of work done in 1 second. For example, in electrical measurements, the S unit of work is expressed as watt second. However, a commercial unit of electrical energy is watt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the work done in 1 hour by an agency whose power is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt multiplied by 3600 seconds. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3.67 exponent 10 raised to the power 6 joules, 3.6 megajoules. Now we will see example 4.2. A 70 kg man runs up a long flight of stairs 4 seconds. Calculate the vertical height of stairs is this. Calculate his power in watts. We know that work done is equal to mgh, power is equal to mgh over t. Putting the value of m, g and h, we get power is equal to 7.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 watts. In our next video we will see what is energy, what is kinetic energy, what is potential energy, what is work energy principle, and some examples of energy. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.